In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning marquee effect on your Wix website without needing to write a single line of code. We'll guide you through every step of the process, making it simple and enjoyable. By the end, your website will have a dynamic and eye-catching feature that can highlight important announcements, promotions, or any other piece of information you want to emphasize. To start, go ahead and log into your Wix account and open the editor for the website you want to add this effect to. Once you've got your editor open, look to the left side of the screen where you'll see the toolbar. You'll want to click on the Add button here. It's a plus icon, if that helps. This opens up a menu with a variety of different elements you can add to your site. For the marquee effect, we're going to focus on adding text, so select the Text option. From here, choose the type of text that suits your design. This might be a heading, subheading, or paragraph text. Now, place the text box on your page where you want the marquee to appear. Feel free to experiment with the placement until it feels right. Once your text box is in place, click on it to start editing the text. Enter the message or information that you want to scroll across your page. Remember to keep it concise so it's easy for visitors to read as it moves. Next, we need to make the text move. In your text box settings, look for an option labeled Animation. When you click on this, you'll see a pop-up with various animation options. For a marquee effect, select an animation like Continuous Marquee or Scrolling. These may be categorized under Entrance or Loop animations, so be sure to have a look around. Preview each option to see which movement style you like best. After selecting your preferred animation, you can adjust its speed. You don't want your text zooming by too quickly or dragging on too slowly. There's often a slider in the animation settings for precisely this adjustment. Take your time to find the right pace. An optimal speed ensures readability while maintaining visual appeal. With everything set to your liking, hit the Preview button located in the top right corner of the editor. This allows you to view your changes as they would appear live on your site. Watch how your marquee effect plays out and make any necessary tweaks in terms of placement or animation speed. This is your chance to ensure that the effect enhances the overall design and usability of the page, rather than distracting or overwhelming your visitors. Once you're satisfied, don't forget to save your work. Click Publish to make the changes live, so anyone visiting your site can enjoy this new dynamic feature. And there you have it. You've successfully added a marquee effect to your Wix website without any coding, creating a more engaging experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on enhancing your website.